Hello, placement catchers. Welcome to our next how-to video. My name is Natalie and I am here to show you how to use the left main menu in Placement Catcher. Let's start. In this video, we are going to show you what is Home Menu option, how to navigate through the main menu, what are the main menu options, how menu options are organized. The very first menu option is Home. If you click on it, you will see the Welcome page. On this page, you can see a statistic related to the most important data object in the system. You can also see the reminders, count of inactive prospects and applications, and some charts about your progress. The donut charts represent the count of prospects and applicants you currently have at every step. The bar chart shows your progress through time. The Prospects section is about company and candidate prospects you can catch with your Placement Catcher browser extension. To use it, you have to create lead lists first. Once you caught your company leads, you can track the negotiation process with the Prospect Flow option. Notes, emails, and meetings are here to support all the communication steps you have had with a potential client. If you need to manually add a prospect lead, you can use the New Company and New Candidate options. The following 4 sections allow you to manipulate the most important recruitment data. In the company group, you can create and see companies. You can also track communication details you have with each company, like reminder notes, emails, and meetings. In the position and candidates groups, you can respectively create and display positions and candidates. The application group is similar to the company menu group. Besides creating and displaying applications, you can also track notes, emails, and meetings connected to every application. In the Workflow section, you can see in which step are all your applications. This is the most used part of the application. Here, you can simply drag and drop the application to the next step until you reach your final goal, the placement. Note that the last step in screening workflow is also the first one in selection workflow, and the last in selection workflow is also the first one in the negotiation workflow. This is the way how the workflows are connected. The next menu group is Communication. Here you can see your schedule if you have connected your Placement Catcher account with your calendars. You can also send in notification mail, see all the emails sent from Placement Catcher, schedule a new meeting, and see all your meetings in the table view. The Template menu group is tightly connected to the Communication one. Creating an email or meeting requires you to input a lot of data, and most of those data are the same from one email to another, and from one meeting to another. To save your time, you can create a template and apply it when you want to send an email you schedule a meeting. In this section, you can also upload some documents and use them as an attachment in your email templates. You can export all the data from Placement Catcher, and here is the Export menu group. You can find those exports. In the User menu group, the chief account can manage Placement Catcher users in your organization. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, be free to send us an email or visit our webpage for more information. Do not forget to follow us on social media so you don't miss some important news. See you soon!